Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your iPhone 12 mini, at first you have to move for the settings. Next, let's scroll down and reach the Face ID and the passcode. Right now we have to input our code. So let me do this, and right now we have to go to set up the Face ID. So click here and read the description, and after that just click to get started. And right now we have to keep our frame like that. And we have to move it slowly in the circle from the right to the left side. And the first Face ID was kind of complete. Now we have to do the same. So move the head slowly. And the second was also successful. So click down right now and we can try to unlock the device by using our face. And as you can see, it's working. Right now we can simply swipe to open our smartphone. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!